and roll, live the dream, super excited. Number one, feeling fabulous with food. I'm in this amazing group that are low-fat, raw vegan. And now, it's just like 60 people. And they all wrote books. And I wrote 3 of the books. And right now we're kind of getting together to promote this raw vegan lifestyle. I'm super excited about that. I'll tell you why. It's not about the books. To me, it's about the message. I'm really clear about the message. My goal is no disease, but I'm just one person. But if you have 60 people sharing the same freaking message that your body can heal itself, that's beyond energetic vibration to change the world. So I'm super excited about being part of this group. Number 2, these are my books. Really good book. In my opinion, best book in the country. The reason why I say it is I dealt with every disease out there. I don't care what disease it is, the answer is in this book. The key is self-responsibility. You take the power back from those who want it, which means the human body never ever makes a mistake. And this book is focused on that aspect of self-responsibility, which means, if you take some parts here, the key factor is love. You gotta love yourself unconditionally. The other side of it, whatever you eat has to be love. And love is based on 2 factors, which the goal of the body is to be in an alkalinity state, 7.4. If it goes to 7.35, you die. And only these 2 vegetables, fruit and veggies, are alkalinity. It's the only thing that's alkalinity. At 7.4, if you go to 7.35, you die. So in this aspect, this book promotes self-healing, self-awareness, self-responsibility, and why we focus on the fruit, focus on low-fat fruit, in my opinion, is the key. There's no other answer out there. Next, Mother ebook. Actually, these 3 books are by Christine. She made it all possible. Right now, she's videotaping. And I'm super proud, super happy that I'm associated with her because she made all this possible. Ebook, really good children's book. You know why? Because it deals with 5-5-5 rule. 5 ingredients, 5 minutes, $5. Anybody can do it. Key to stay as fit, staying strong, is eating your fruit. There's no other answer. Next, this is all an ebook bundle. Fruit Love. It talks about the body, what the body does, and how it's amazing. It's beyond amazing. It is super amazing. And she's laughing. I don't know what the heck she's laughing about. She's laughing at my jokes. I'm not even telling a joke. Are you laughing at my jokes? Anyway, Fruit Love is a third ebook I have. It's part of the bundle. I deal with diseases all day long. You know what it means? All day long. The key is you have to change your diet. Either change your diet or go medically. There's almost no compromises. And the key is self-love. What you eat, don't eat. What you eat, what you don't eat. Take responsibility. Buy these books. My opinion, super excited. Part of the group. They're spreading the message. Raw vegan message. Bye.